Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Zara account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you are on and search for Zara. Simply click on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right away here, where on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you want to simply tap on this person icon, and on this pop-up window right over here, simply go ahead and click on register down here. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your email. Simply go ahead and enter your email right over here, just like I'm doing. Once you've done that, enter or create a password right over here. Simply enter your password right over here, and then go ahead and enter your name, go ahead and enter your surname, and then simply go ahead and click on create account, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on